Welcome to Mastering the Mundane. The techniques are simple, sometimes so simple they may seem like they couldn't possibly change anything. But it's in the quiet, steady repeating of these small practices that the real beauty appears. A beauty that comes to life in the way you meet each moment. Find a comfortable seat or lie down if that feels better for you. Let your hands rest lightly. Soften your shoulders. Relax your jaw. And if you can, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a long, slow inhale. And hold and throw it out. Letting go of anything that no longer serves you. Bring attention to your breath, not to change it, simply to notice it. Notice the in-breath as it arrives. Notice the out-breath as it leaves. If it helps, name each cycle. In, out, in, out. As the breath happens, just watch. No need to control. No need to do. Your breath will happen on its own. Your job is just to watch it. Do this for the next little while. I'll bring you back shortly. Move your awareness now into your hips. As you breathe in, move all of your attention into this center. On a breath out, allow this space to soften just a little. Now, shift your attention to your abdomen. Use your breath in to bring all of your attention here. And on your next breath out, allow this space to let go just a little. Now, move up to your chest. Place all of your attention here. Breathe into this space and let go. You are safe. You can relax. Shift your focus now to your neck and throat. Breathe into any tension that might be there. And then lovingly, thoughtfully dissolve this center into the moment. Now, bring your attention back to the breath. Notice the small space of stillness that exists between the breath. This space exists naturally, quietly, without a need to be seen, without a need for your involvement. Isn't that beautiful? Even in the ordinary breath, there is an inner stillness, a moment of rest, a place you can return to again and again, a glimpse of silence you can always depend on. Rest here for a moment, feeling the transformative power of pure simplicity. As you stay here in this sweet, simple moment, notice how the art of watching, of noticing the normal, becomes a doorway to calm. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and in your own sweet time, you can gently open your eyes. Take this beautifully ordinary moment with you. Bask in its simplicity. Thank you for practicing. May you move through your day with curiosity and ease, mastering the mundane, one breath at a time.